Court is in the Storm Tracker Weather Center with a look ahead at your Monday forecast. Court.
Kelly, it looks like we're going to be seeing, for most of you, a bit of a break from that activity today. And as we move forward, we're not seeing anywhere near what we've seen over the last couple of weeks ahead for this week. And if you're trying to get some fresh air and take advantage of the day off on this Martin Luther King Jr. Day, looks pretty good for you in most of our region. Now, I do want to show you this, though. The roads are still wet. This is that live look at Highway 32 and Main Street in downtown Chico. We did have some rainfall overnight across the valley, but most of that has really fizzled out now. Moving forward, the biggest impact today continues to stay in the Sierra as well as areas of Lassen and Plumas counties where more snowfall is likely. It looks like maybe up to around 4 inches of snow today in some of our higher elevations down to 4,000 feet. So that's where that's in effect through 10 p.m. tonight. We also have winds that are going to be a little breezy and out of the north today, gusts up to around 25 miles an hour early to midday, diminishing a little bit towards the afternoon, and we'll see a shift to southeast winds late on this afternoon. Tomorrow, the winds stay light, and then we have north winds picking back up heading into your Wednesday. Those will get a little bit breezier than what we're seeing today, but really not too bad. And those will be southeast winds, not north winds, heading through as another wet system impacts Northern California. Now, for today, right now, we're seeing dry conditions in the valley. Most of what is actually hitting the ground is in the foothills heading up into the Sierra. You can see that last storm system that's rolling through is now to our south, tracking south of the Bay Area, but high pressure is built into our north and west, and that's going to leave us with a break from the rain moving forward and some sunshine on the way for your Tuesday. And the clearing skies also going to allow those temperatures to really plummet. We won't have the clouds to trap in the heat tomorrow morning. It's going to be a much colder start to the day, so something to keep in mind tonight. Break out the more substantial jacket for tomorrow morning. Early on today, that chance for showers mainly in the Butte County foothills and Sierra. Some Butte County Valley showers are possible midday, but it doesn't look like much is going to actually hit the ground. By this afternoon, that chance for showers starting to track to the south, but still lingering. And then you can see we're seeing sunshine on the way for most of us tomorrow. After that, another wet system poised to make its way inland midday on Wednesday, giving us showers across our region that are fairly brief. They'll be gone by Thursday morning. So it's just going to be Thursday midday through Thursday, or Wednesday night, that is, that we see that chance for showers. And then it's mostly sunny for the end of the week, with some clouds overhead for the weekend, and then a slight chance for showers just south of the Oregon border this weekend, but that's about it. So as you look at rain totals through the middle of this week, we're looking at maybe a half an inch of rain for Chico and Redding, a little more than that in our higher elevations. Snow totals as we head through this week, looks like maybe we'll see about a foot of snow in the northern Sierra from that system on Wednesday. That's about it. And again, it's going to be fairly quick moving. So for today, cloudy with clearing skies in the northern mountains, highs mostly in the 40s there, 30s to low 40s in the Sierra and southern Cascades, foothills today in the 30s to mid 40s. And if you're in the valley today, temperatures mid 50s for the northern zones, low to mid 50s in the mid valley, a slight chance for showers in Butte County through the day, but that's about it for the valley. Your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast for your weekend's always in view. Sunshine returning tomorrow with chillier overnight low temperatures ahead, dropping into the 30s for the next 7 mornings with highs low to mid 50s Tuesday, mid to upper 40s Wednesday with that next chance for wet weather. And then after that, it's mostly highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s with sunshine late week and some clouds overhead through your upcoming weekend.